see the green candles mocking me for weeks. Held my lungs through the pain, praying for the peaks. But every bounce was fake, every rally a lie. They bled me slow, now it's my turn to fly. I loaded up the leverage, margin call me damn. Shorting everything in sight with a shaking hand. No more diamond grip, no more hope and pray. I'm betting on the crash, let the red rain spray. I see my old positions turning black to red. The chart that used to tease me now fills me with dread. I shorted at the top, balls to the wall of mean. Heavy leverage screaming, living a revenge dream. Maybe then I'll sleep when the market's in flames. No more buying dips, no more playing their games. It's not easy watching green turn to blood, but after all these losses it feels so damn good. I wanna see it painted, painted red. Red is ruined, red as dead. I wanna see the longs get liquidated high. I wanna see it painted, 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 painted red. Sea of traders running for the door. Their bags are melting, can't take it anymore. I shorted the bounce, I shorted the dip, shorting every rumor, every influencer quip. The whales are panicking, the retail's in tears. I'm laughing in the margin as the red tide nears. No more waiting patient, no more holding tight. I flipped the whole script, now I'm shorting the night. I look inside myself and see my soul is red. Although those broken lungs finally put to bed. No more moonshots, no more diamond gleam. Just endless red candles mocking my dream. The market rejecting me, now rejecting it back. Painting every screen with the color I lack. Red candles forever, let the fire consume. This trader's done long and now watch the red bloom. I wanna see it painted, painted red. Red is ruined, red is dead. I wanna see the longs get liquidated high. I wanna see it painted, 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 painted red. Painted red, painted red. No more green for me. Showed the world, set it free. Painted, painted
Check 1 2 1 2. Ladies and gentlemen, ringing of the cowbell.
It's a terrible day in the telegram. A bloody red day for the holders. Would you sell now? Could you sell now? It's a catastrophic day in the discard room.
Here we go.
The morning's gray, the clocks are full. The world outside moves slow, so slow. But there's a spark, a golden glow. Good as coffee's here, you know. Oh, the best part of waking up is good as coffee in your cup.
Nothing like a little good-ass coffee in your cup. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, frogs and squirrels, you're watching Late Night Crypto with the Road Dog. We're watching Bitcoin do the sideways shuffle. It don't know what the hell to do. Go up, down, sideways, mostly sideways throughout all this. Ups and downs. You know what? You got some ranges there to work with, and this and altcoins too. About 2-3% range. You can do a lot with that on Bitcoin. Well, a little something on it. Not a lot, but you can do a little something on it. If you're trying to make a little range plays, you get your little value area lows and whatnots. This green line is our 382 Fibonacci. That's where I thought we were headed up there. Here is what we got going on. This is a 15-minute time frame. Right. And this was cool. We came up and cleared this high, right? Came down, made a higher low, right? That's good. We came up, we made a lower high. We didn't take this guy out. We should have been coming for this guy at that point. We should have, on this last little leg, when we got over here. Now watch this. Let me go down to the 1 minute, because this is where all the secret sauce has been coming out on, right? This is all the secret sauce, right? Let me walk you through the model here. Yeah, you get above the 200, touch the 21 and blast off, right? Okay, that worked great there, right? You're above the 200, touch the 21 on a flag it out. Yeah, it's when you get up to the resistance on these flag ideas that they don't want to work out so well, right? However you want to draw them, however that you're shown to draw them, because there's a variations of way. Touch the 21 and nothing happened. So these moving averages and this Ichimoku cloud would have warned you that, hey man, something's not right. But before that ever happened, this trend line right here was broken. That was saying, probably not. Trend lines can help you find those little lower highs before they do you in, right? Same thing, following old trend line over here. I guess we ought to get our correct trend line. It really started down here, right? So there we are. This one here would save you from the flag to the upside. We're above the 21. We'll just make this a bigger flag. Well, she already broke this trend line, so maybe, but you gotta be careful about that one. Above the 21, above the 200, touch the 21 and blast off to the... No, not on that one either, huh? Oh man, not on that flag either. Gosh darn it! It must be a hell of a day for a flag trader over here. What about this one? Surely to gosh, this flag right here will do it. Look, we're touching the 21, above the 200. And no, that one did it. Well, by golly, this one's gotta do it. And by the time you get to this, you could have been in a nice little short right there. I'm just saying, could have happened. But there's a point in time for flags. Works nice when we first start. When we get out of a W, that's a good place to play one. After that next one, especially if we're doing like if you're doing Elliott Wave counts or something like that, that last one's probably the last one. That next one's probably your last one, right? All right. So anyway, is this a bear flag to the downside? Well, this gray line that I've got there is on that is the point of control on that tool, measured from this little local area, and also larger too. Keeps coming in here, and we're hanging around the point of control here, consolidating. Now, I guess it would probably help if we get off this 1 minute time frame. That would probably help us figure things out a little bit better, don't you think? Bitcoin all sidewaysy. I'm just going to clear a bunch of this little stuff out so we can see what the hell's going on over here. May even go to a cleaner chart. Well, you are cleaner. Look at you. Don't know what the hell we got going on over here. All right. Let me come over and say hello to everybody. Thank you for being here tonight. We are 10 minutes in. Hopefully not another 10, 2, or 3 hour stream. Jeez, I can't do that. Straga's in the house. How we doing, Straga? Good to see you, my man. Where'd you go, Straga? There you are. There you are, Straga. I see Rogue's in the house. Good to see you, Rogue. Joe from Trade Intuition, fellow YouTuber over here. If you're not checking him out, you're probably a square, because that's where all the cool kids hang out before they come over here. If you know, you know. And you rode the train over, I guess, Joe, right over here. Monday nights and Fridays, 9 p.m. is where they check out the cool alpha. That's where all the cool kids hang out. If you're not watching Joe, you're square. I said that twice already. I'm trying to emphasize that point. Shout out to Joe, and we got Night Range. Joe, let's make some dinero. That's what I'm saying, man. Let's make some dinero. You guys seen that UB coin? We took a trade. I took a trade on it last night. Remember that little guy? My Velvet trade, I guess I got stopped out. Did you get closed out? I was doing a short. A short on that one. We not to brag, but we nailed the entry on that little screwball. And we did it with a fib. But I've started on the UB one. I don't know where I was at 8.5, maybe 9 cents, right in that area. And then I think my typical entry place is now is about 10.5 cents right now. Because I've taken some profits and then I've added back, and because it ran up like 300 or something % the first time. Looks like she's come down a little bit. Have you come down lately, UB? Did I miss out? Oh, snap it! I missed out on my profits. You almost came and sniped me out right there. Look, you came right to my stop loss and didn't give me. Oh, you might still give me. Oh, you got me. It. Speak of the devil. Look at you. Isn't that just crazy? All right, well, it was up more than that. I was kind of happy about that. Well, you know what they say. Once you fall off the horse, you might as well just get right the hell back on. That's at 11.3. I'm going back in. I'm stupid that way. That's a 200 moving average here on the 5 minute. I think that's got some weight. 9. Right under the 20. I think we can come back. If not a dead count bounce, then something. So I'm going to get you right on that. It's 12. I'm going to go with 11.3. 11.3 on UB. 11.3 on UB. I was doing 12x on this one. What are we going to do here? Stop loss would be. Let's fib her out. I don't want to just go willy-nilly over here. We haven't even taken a proper look at Bitcoin yet, have we? Oh, you might be coming down a little lower. You might be coming down a little lower right there, a 382. That's what you need to do. Unless you're going to do your little thing. Yeah. So I need to go by what? 10.7 for my stop losses? Can we make this work? Is this possible? 10.7? 0, 10, 7. Oh, that's 90 cents. That's too much. I'm too greedy. I can't do it. I can't risk that much. Even though you made... Yeah, I don't care. I'm going to nibbles in. I'm going to nibbles in right here. I'll probably regret it tomorrow, but right now. Actually, I'm going to put me another order right there at 10.88. Oh, now 382. 10.88 Sixers. All right, let's do another one. I want a little heavier over here, a little bit more ballsy. Same stop loss in case she wants to come and get me humdiggity style. I can afford to lose a little bit more this way. Oh, snap it! Are we going to do it? You going to do it hard? Let's do it hard. All right, hard for this tiny ass account. This is our Arbit account. It's growing a little bit. I think I just got stopped out of a lot of stuff over here. What have you looked like lately? Well, that's not bad for you. Not bad for you. Or a typical stop loss. Stop that. Death by 1,000 cuts over here. At least I kept them small. 10 cents, 6 cents, 10 cents. Like I said, it's a small account. $2. Okay, that's looking better because it's looked a lot worse sometimes. Sometimes they get out of hand like that one over here a couple of days ago. Anyway, this is my DGen account. So this is where I do all the DGen trades, most of them anyway. And then we got the Blowfin account over, not there. We got, that's where you went. I was wondering where that window went. Huh. Well, yeah, I'm leaving. I'm leaving. And this is our Blowfin account, which, I don't know, it's still about the same, really, to be honest with you. Already trading this one mostly just right here on the stream. However, I couldn't resist the opportunity to get on some of these little guys. And I did think that we were going to bounce in this neighborhood. Now I'm starting to kind of think you might be coming to take me out. And I don't want to let it get beyond my 1% allowable, which I'm trying to stay well under that just to make up for any screw-ups I make. I think there's a chance. I was hoping there was a chance we could bounce back up, but it looks like she might be wanting to come back down for a double bottom or go a little lower. I'm ready for lower if she wants to go down there. I got a few more little limits right here at the juicy 786 and 886 areas right there, just waiting on you. Waiting on you to come down there, baby. If he wants to do it, I'm ready to party with you. See if we get another bounce, or maybe I get stopped out and we go lower. Who knows? It's so much fun here not knowing what the hell's going on. Sometimes. At least if you're on the right side of it. We're on the wrong side of it, man. Oh, man. It sucks when you're on the wrong side of it. It does. It's like, I can't figure out it on the right side. I'm trying, then it flips on me again. It's like an ever-ending flip-flop, you know. When you meet somebody going down the hallway and you both try to move in the same... it just doesn't work. That kind of thing. Yeah, sometimes trading feels like that. We're under the 9 moving average on the 15. That is naughty. That's not what I want to see. I'm going to fibber out and see what's going on over here for Bitcoin. Fellas, I've got a list of altcoins, and you guys probably have some altcoins you want to take a look at too. Or if not, I mean, you think you should. This is a show about sharing and all that kind of stuff. Maybe you see a setup you want to share. I don't know. That would be cool. Maybe you got a question about something, just want my insight on it. And I don't know. Sometimes I see things that some people might not see. Sometimes I don't. So we're holding this 0.5 Fibonacci area really nicely right there. That could spell a lot of possibilities right here. It still concerns me that we didn't take out this guy. That was the main thing to happen. So we need to bounce our little happy asses here, which it doesn't look like it wants to do. I'm just being honest with you. It just doesn't. Hey, 59,493. Oh, hell no. That's too much. Not happening, darling. Not happening. So we got this 618 Fibonacci area just sitting down here about 59,500-ish in that general vicinity. Maybe that's where we stop at. If you were to take your little measure move from this little guy right here, put it right up there to the very tip tops, which takes us down to the 886 Fibonacci area right there. That could happen. That could happen. Particularly like the 786er on this one myself, but hey. All right, and a number of things could happen to get us down there. We could bounce up, make a lower high, and then go back down there. That could be one of the reasons. We could just dive bomb down there. Who the hell knows? Sometimes this crypto life be a little bit just too gosh darn confusing and hard. When it really shouldn't be. It really shouldn't be. Yeah, it probably should be. How we doing? 13 of the most wonderful people ever. I'll just give you guys a shout out. Just give you guys the old clappy clap. Wouldn't have a show without you guys. But as with every show, unfortunately, bills do have to be paid and sponsors do have to be sponsoring. So
when the project rugs you, at least let something soft catch you. Introducing the emotional support rug. It's literally a rug, but we're all gonna make it, bro. Statistically unlikely, but still.
Crypto cowboys, moon or alimony bags. Subscribe to Road Dogg Crypto now. Like or bear eats ya. Better call Road Dogg.
Oh, we're back. Hey, good to have you back, everybody. Those gosh darn YouTube commercials, they just come out of nowhere, don't they? Duality C is in the house. How you doing, Duality C? Good to see you. We got Ave retracting messages over here. Ave hit the... There we go. We got the Nightbot. The Nightbot. We also got BetaBot. We got Nightbot and BetaBot. I actually thought BetaBot was a bot when I first met BetaBot because it had a name BetaBot. I also thought that Rogue, I think Soul, was a bot too. But Rogue's not. Rogue's a real person. So is BetaBot. They're all real. Can you please look at ladies? We will definitely take a look at ladies. Looks like it was doing a little better today. Nothing great, but better. I feel like I read that already. Let's see. Oh, there we go. Yeah, submit your request for live analysis. I say it with a 13-year-old boy, squeaky voice. This is for live analysis. Priority goes to members and super chats. Francisco Santos, can we look at Solana? I shorted Solana at 75.40 when I noticed the head and shoulders pattern on the 5 minutes. I've got Solana on here. We'll take a look at that. Brave Expanse, how you doing, Brave Expanse? Good to see you, my man. Always a pleasure. A brave one. And also, we got King Hell. Good to see you, King Hell. How you doing, my man? Rawr. I am not a real bot. Is a fake ass bot? BetaBot, you're not a fake ass bot, are ya? We just playing. All right, so this 0.5 Fibonacci man on Bitcoin. She's trying to hold. We're trying to get something on the 3 minute. Cross our fingers. Maybe we'll bounce here and take our little happy asses up a little bit to that 200 moving average and see what happens over there. There's a lot of resistance up ahead for Bitcoin to chop its little happy ass way through, but it's got to come get this guy. It's got to go get this guy. We got to be headed towards 60,900 like soon. Let's go ahead and make this our higher low, okay? Can we all agree? It's not all bad over here, people. Even on this 3 minute, there's some good things over here, right? These bigger moving averages, 800, 600, 360, 200, they still got the momentum to pull us right back up here, Now, whether we get higher than them, I'm crossing my fingers and hoping so. Because we've got to take out that guy right here. That guy. If we don't come and get this guy, we're going to die. And that's just how simple it is. So by tonight's stream, I hope that we're heading a little closer toward 60, 70, the $61,000 area there. All right, so that's what I got for Bitcoin. As you know what we do, go over the indices real quick because this is where we find the weather for the market. That's what I find the weather for the market. Now I'm happy to see that instead of falling straight down with a possible head and shoulders, which that's a janky ass looking one, what I do see is a lower high over here, and that's my concern, right? This is S&P 500, but actually this stocks actually did pretty decent. Well, of course they did today because it was up today. We still got some resistance up ahead there. Let's go ahead and just throw that trend line there and hope for the best because gosh darn it, we need some kind of line in the sand to cross. Maybe if that could be a bottom right there. Did you channel out? Might be close to forming a nice little channel. It's closer, but not quite a cigar. It may have a little bit steeper to go, but yet not make a lower low. That's the thing. It made a higher low. All right, so she looks like she's trying to go back up here and retest all-time high. Go figure that out in summer. But hey, I ain't bitching about it. I'm actually trying to look for some decent little stock plays. All right, so over here we got total ES, which is basically all your juicy altcoins minus those boring ass stable coins. And they're basically still going down. Looks like we found a little local support area, but no telling if it's going to hold or not, right? I still see a chance that we will be making our little happy asses down to 1.33 trillion. It just may be a little slow burn down. But I do believe we are really close to a little area right here, just a little bit lower, that we might want to. I might get a little relief and come back up to this area about 1.92. So I'm just going to put a little juicy box right here. 113 and 1272 little areas right there. And I'm going to label it as such, as, you know, a juicy box. And see if we can get over there. Meanwhile, Bitcoin dominance still trying to roll over. Looks a lot like Bitcoin and some of the other things that we're seeing. Trying to do the rollover. A lot of people looking for a top pattern, head and shoulders pattern over here. I'm not going to argue that point. I'm just going to tell you, I see a trend line that has a lower high, and we can just split the difference right there. Unless it's going to do the bear flag idea, then my measure moves as it's going down just a smidgen smaller there. More than likely going to catch at unless we just break down entirely. Oh my gosh, this is Bitcoin market cap. Yeah, somewhere down to about 58% right there. We're at 58.5 right now, right? So losing 0.5%. If she wants to fall further, I'm cool with that too, because it usually helps our altcoins out a little bit. And altcoins been a little mixed bag lately, but there's been some good ones out there. And God golly, I want to find some and make some more money tonight. I want to get another UB. Let me take a look at Velvet. Let's go over Velvet real quick, because we had a great call on that one last night. If you're watching the show last night, you had the opportunity to get in on that little sucker. If I just remember where we did it at. Was it KuCoin? Now watch me not be able to find this damn chart. Was it Binance? Oh, hell. I guess we don't have it on here. Well, trust me, bro, we nailed it. What I did was pull my fibs and right up here at I think it's 212 or 213. Put a limit order while she was still down here to short it, and then got a nice move here, which really paid off. That one was really nice. Oh, snapdragons, you went below my 200 moving average, dude. You totally skidabbered to me. Oh, I got to stop down on that one. How much? Oh man, I lost my 1% right there. I took a hit on that one, catching that little falling knife. Shame on me. I guess I deserved that. You get what you deserve. All right, we're looking for this 0.5. Oh, snap. Oh, did I not give you enough room? Is that what the problem was? Oh, shoot, I didn't zoom out enough is what it was. Oh, right here. Gosh darn it. I got two areas to contend with right here. I'm going to just wait and see what happens. Can we do alarms? No. Well, that sucks. Let me get UB over here so I can set an alarm. Oh, not on Bottlenex. UB. How about KuCoin? I should have zoomed out on that one. I just gave money away because I'm bored. Coming over to the 1 hour. Hell, I would have seen 800 moving. Yeah. Oh, right there. Beautiful. That's about the 0.5 fib right here. And then we got this. She's gonna catch. And I believe she's going to snap back. I don't know if it's going to be there, though. Sure, this one's getting a little iffy over here. All right, 800. We're down to Miss Lucy. Lost it. 50's coming down here. We lost. We should be aiming for the 50. So right here in this 382 fib area. For real. And what is that? That is just a little under 10 cents right there. Just a smidgen. The 50 moving average is coming in at 9.5 cents. Of course, if this comes down, that will probably be coming up too on the 1 hour. Do we go again? Do we want to try it again? A little different over here. Now we're at the 100 moving average on what, the 15 minute? That's pretty deep. That is pretty deep. The whole purpose was to set an alarm. Oh, that is correct, wasn't it? Yeah, I forgot. I got trend lines, right? Yeah, or I got one. All right, let's set an alarm so I can move on to something else. Dang, man, you just shorted that down, but you didn't do it. Can't catch them all, baby. All right, I want to take a look at humans. It's starting to turn around a little bit. Man, that one got low. That got lower than what I was looking for. I think I was looking around 10 cents at one point. I got down to 5 cents the last time I remember seeing. Is it humanity? Humanity, that's it. Humanity. KuCoin's got it right here. Is this on this was today? Well, look at that. She is not trying to do a little something over here. Whether it ever makes anything out of itself again, I don't know. I thought there was an exploit or something like that. She need to be trying to get up here a little higher too. 11 cent area. Can you make it up there? What else have we got to work with over here? I need something a little bit more local. Figure you out a little bit better over here, darling. I'm going to go with the you right here. That's not what I was trying to do right there. Is there a little degen trade to be had here on humanity? Because you looking sexy as... Hey. Hey. On the 1 hour. Getting a little woody here late at night. I can't explain it. It's like a turkey skewer. Just gliding down my leg right there. All right, so 200's way down here. What we got going on here, darling? I'm asking for a friend. I could see you coming. I could see an argument for you coming back here. I really could. Still above the trend line though, so I gotta see it break this trend line. If it's going to, it may not. It may just bounce from here. Let's get our indicators over. Oh no, the bearish divergence and everything there. We ain't got anything bullish over here. No. But look at you on the 1 minute. You're already bouncing. Like you want to do something. Like you want to leave me behind. You call me crazy, but higher highs and higher lows and wicked is and wicked toes. I'm gonna. I can put a stop loss right here at 7 cents, and I can get it at 7.3, and just try this little guy on my little degen account. I would say, hell to the Essel. Can I do it on Blowfin? Are you on humans? Because that would be a live trade for here, right? Humans. This is yes, I can some. All right, I'm gonna crank up this leverage right here. I'm gonna crank it up about 10x right there. I'm gonna get jiggy with it. I'm just gonna go ahead and put my stop loss over here at 0.07. 0.07. 03. And I don't want to risk the whole biscuit. What can 1% get me over here? What can 1% do for me? I say I want some more leverage for that then. I'm going crazy with the leverage. I'm going 20x on it. No, I'm not. You doubled up my losses. I should have did that math in my head. Let's put you a little bit. That's better. We're just going to do 10x. All right, and we're in. You come down for the little lower low. It's just all over Shazam. And put you down to here. I'm risking 30 cents to make a tiny ass fortune here. Because I like to buy the mama trend lines. That's just how I like to flow. We need an upward target, mister. She's got a big upward ass target up there. All of our hopes and dreams to 11.4 cents. Will that make it up there? I seriously doubt it. But we might make it up to about 8.5. What does that look like? I should have figured this out before. Risking 30 cents to make $1. That's a 3-to-1 trade. That's actually pretty good. I'm just going to have my little hopium dreams right up here for about 11.4 though, just to see how far we can get, if we even get far at all for humans. Because I'm down right now, man. I'm down 7%. It's hurting bad. That's hurting bad. I can't handle it. Feel like a dumbass. All right, let's find the next one. I want to look at, if you don't mind, what do you guys want to take a look at Solana? Let's go ahead and take a look at Solana. Solana on Binance. So somebody took a short, I believe, what we were saying. We're at the 24-minute over here. I got so many gosh darn lines over here. We just need to get them off. Let's go ahead and zoom out a little bit. 4 hour. I'll have to get my bearings on the 4 hour. I feel like I'm always racing that thing. Maybe I hit the save button this time. So I'm looking at this as a possible bear trap idea right here. That's the bear trap. Look, there's a trade set up. Okay, oh, that was an old one. He had a couple of those, looks like. We are above the 200 moving average on the 4 hour, and the moving averages are crossing bullishly up there. Your short might be blindsided here shortly. Maybe you'll get a little bit. It's in a little bit of indecision, but you can't deny this looks a little ballsy. A little ballsy right there. Let's see what else we... No, that's you, dude. That's you. That is you. Bear trap idea came back, retested trend line. Higher highs. Need to come out and did take that one out technically. I can see the swing failure in you. Oh, dear. So maybe shorten down. It might come down to like 71. Maybe we can get that. There's reasons. Yeah, we could probably revisit that area, but it's got to break a trend line first. So as it stands until it breaks that trend line, I'd be looking at that 9 moving average area, about 73. Might want to take a little tighter look if we get down $1. Just in case it wants to turn around on us. But right now, you should be pretty good on that. Get your milk cloud. Looks like she could take us off again at any time over here. Well, you got some wiggle room on this thing too. Oh, that was good the way it was. So let's just see how far down we can go. Has it broken its current trend line? It hasn't just quite yet. So, oh gosh, now we're just on pins and needles. Is it gonna fall over or not? Is it gonna bounce here and do a woozy woozy? Whatever that means. And I would say, looking on this 3 minute. She thinking about it. She thinking about doing something dangerous right here. She thinking about trying to get back up to that 200 moving average. She do that. She looking at a breakout, man. Let's try this angle first. See what she does over here. She's underneath the red cloud. Oh man. This is, oh, look at all that bullish divergence down here. That's exactly what I'd look for if I was trying to long. I don't mean to bust your bubble or anything, but it actually kind of makes me want to try to get in because I could put a tight ass stop loss here. Just a little bit below this smidgen digin right here. About 74. I'm going tight. Are we in Solana? I'm already in Solana. Well, then I'll just add to you because, well, I'm already, so I'm in Solana and I'm up 56%. And this would be a great place for me to add. Let me see how much damage I do here. Market you in. Wait a minute. Where's my, oh, I had a long limit down here. I was trying to catch her a little bit long down here. I was looking at 73. Maybe we still do get down there. My stop loss. Oh, is this where I'm at? I'm going to put you to break even, though. I'm going to put you to break even. You go south on me, we're going to have to renegotiate. And I don't want to take no losses from you. Especially if I'm up 53%. That would piss me off, mister. Why are you coming in and still have a negative number over here? Isn't this me? It must be those gosh darn fees. That's going to piss me off. Seriously? Well, screw that then. Wait a minute. What's all this? Oh, that's above. Okay, I got you. My bad. Something like that. Okay, well, stop losses at break even. It was positive. Okay. So you come down this low. I'm out, baby. I'm out. Oh, wait a minute. We were going to do a stop loss over here or something crazy, weren't we? Shoot, I don't know. I forgot what we was going to be doing. I got so... I didn't know I had three. You can have three separate ones over here. I bet you're it. No. Oh, hell. I'm just staggering these little bastards out here. All right, Solana. I'm adding them along, put my stops in place in case it wants to come south. We hope that it goes up just a wee bit higher than that. If we are looking for upside targets, I'm still looking at 84. If we're looking for downside, right now I'm looking at 72. Let us come back over to the chat. How we doing, chat? Thanks for the quick summary, says BetaBot. Hey now. Hey, how's it going, GeoGems? Thank you for the super chat last night. I saw it at the very end. I didn't get to see what it said because it already flipped off. But, and I haven't, I guess there's a way I can check. I just haven't done it. Oh, let me get this off the top chat. That might make a difference. Oh, wow. There's a lot of stuff. Okay, you shorted it at, when you notice head and shoulders on the 5 minute. Okay, so we're small time frame here. Is it really a head and shoulders though? I mean, really? I mean, if you're looking at head and shoulders, I mean, just a little moment, just bringing in some Thomas Bukowski kind of ideas in here. Okay, the godfather of pattern trading, right there. Head and shoulders. You know, the textbook one looks like. Well, no, it looks even better than that. The textbook one. You look like this, and you do have a lower shoulder on the right side. That's the textbook one, and they're more horizontal than not. Now, you definitely got horizontal here, but what's this? So that really, I mean, really, I think that puts you more into descending triangle territory right there. I mean, if we're going to split hairs or whatever, that not did even need to. Those have a 53% chance to break to the upside, 47% chance that they break to the downside. And I believe that metric might even change a little bit if you're in bull or bear markets, if I'm not mistaken. You can find that out on thepatternSite.com. It's free. It doesn't cost $99 a month. Call it crazy, but you can get actual information over here instead of having being spoon-fed the same little technique all the time. All right, so, and then these guys, when they break down, right, a lot of times you can find channel angle right there. Look at that. See that? That's cool. So we got a bearish channel, or a bullish channel, and if they make a point of partial decline, is the general rule, where they just reach and go flat, a good chance they're trying to work to the breakout, which is about 64% chance to break to the upside. Seeing that happened on the trend line, I feel a little bit more bullish than I do bearish. Hope I don't bust your bubble. If anything else for that, then we might be coming up for a bearish retest of this idea, about 75. Then might roll back over. That could happen too. That could definitely happen with this 50 moving average crossing that 100. That can definitely happen. Could get a bearish retest of that. And W's be damned. W bottoms be damned. Which is why I got a tight ass stop loss. Tight ass stop loss. That'd make a good song. Need some tight ass stop loss. All right, let me come back to the chat over here. Tommy 2 Liters, how you doing, my man? Good to see you, Tommy 2 Liters. I think it's time for our sponsor.
Part of a well-balanced diet. Every morning, yeah, you know I gotta try it. Pour it up, milk-free cereal in my bowl. My bowl. Mom's in life forever, that's good for my soul. For real. Yeah. Yoga pants, coffee mug, hair in a bun, dropping kids at school, and she still having fun. Grocery cart queen, turning house to a runway. Got me trying to volunteer, pick up
John,
on
you stole my
got
dog whistle.
lipstick stains on a stainless cup. Got a meeting at 9, still glowed up. Packing lunches, packing curves, I'm in trouble. Every little side hug, feeling like double. She a
Milk. Milky cereal. That's what's for breakfast every morning if you're somewhere hot in the house. I'm cooking tonight, says Strega. Woo! Are you getting some good trades in, or are you actually like making like ramen or something, or what? I'm just asking. I'm a little hungry. Tacos. Here's a coin that is here's a coin that's been up. When we look over, we didn't do this, did we? When we look over here and see what's popping, these are the guys that are kind of popping over here. I don't know what the hell's going on, but I want to take a look at some of these and see if it's still early, or if can I still ride the high? So I want to take a look at this one called Rave. It had a nice little run and then came down, and it should be getting ready for a nice little run. Let's look at it on. Oh, what's this? Oh, I guess I missed the run today. I guess that was his nice run before. Wow, you're kind of wild looking. This is at Binance. They should probably have the best chart. Oh, we got the 0.5 out. We think. There's our actual new trend line. Here was the strongest points. I'd expect us to get a reaction with that, especially at the 360 moving average there. 36-minute time frame. I'm going to come down to the old 15-minute and see what we got going on. Moving averages. Are you trying to cross? Have you crossed? You did cross over here. Yeah, baby. Okay, well, so what do you got for me here? Look at that flag to the upside. It's above. It's... Listen. Oh, here's another one. Here's another one, another flag that starts out here, right? It's above it's above the 200, right? Touches the 21. That's not good enough. That is not good enough. Touching doesn't mean darsh thing. It needs to bounce off of that 21 and then break your trend line, and then you have an entry that might be worth taking, and they could still do these little boogers right here. Do you know what I see over here? I'm just saying, because they're going to just keep doing this and doing this and doing this until they finally get something that breaks out. That's what a lot of trading groups are kind of basically teaching over here. I'm just saying. I'm just trying to point out some better ways that might be more helpful. That was the original trend line right there. Well, I thought I would be catching that one. I bet the secondary probably does. There's a secondary trend line over here. Trend lines are your friends, man. Trend lines are your friends right there. That would have been a nice warning shot there. Definitely losing this one, but well, look at that. Came up there and nipped you out. As soon as it came back below here, not so bueno. Not so bueno. Oh, well, what does that mean for us, though? Swing on to swing. Oh, you're already there. She's at my 382, my little local 382. Do I want to get in on this one? Not yet convinced at this moment in time, but I want to take a little smaller look at it. She's on the 6-minute time frame right now. I'm going to take a look at my little indications. my indicators. I want to zoom up and zoom down and zoom all the way around. She's getting that big old fat cloud. Going to suck her in. And fat clouds just like to suck you in. 200 and 150. That's good. We're below the 9 and 21. I'm on a 36 minute. We put 50 in the spot. That throws him on the radar there. These guys are coming up like they're going to kiss. Good night. Let me go to a 1 hour. What we got here? Dang. All right, you tell a different story altogether. You lose that 21 right there, you're coming down to this 50 or more than likely. But that just seriously what I've seen happen. It does. They have like an algorithm that they follow. It's a numerical thing, man. All right, not quite time for you. It looks like we're trying to do a little Bart Simpson over here at the old Resistance. Going from candle bodies and touches those wikis. All the way to the other candle bodies. A little channel. Now that we take that trend line we had before there, I want to look down. I want to look down here. We're channeling it. I want to see what happens over here. Not quite time for Ree. Not quite time for Ree. She could be falling about a dime. So gosh darn, could you short it? I would not, because that cloud is saying I might do the old bamboozle on you, and just when you think you got me just right, I'm gonna go back and get bullish on you again. I'm not up for it. I don't see it quickly falling. However, the 1 hour is saying short me, baby, short me, short me, short me. The 6 minutes saying I'm trying to bounce and save my ass. I don't want to die. I want to make a higher low so I can make a higher high. So I'm going to give this one a little time to figure out its mission in life. 6 minute 200 moving average. Look at that, would make me feel a little bit better about it. Otherwise, we might just be ranging before we do something weird ass. Yeah, probably not. Probably with that, we're probably going to come down. But I don't know. Just me being guesstimacious. SYN, that one pumped up, and I think it's still up more than that. I don't know what it's doing right now. Oh, you came down. Oh, that's the wrong one. SYN. Should we take a look at I'm going to KuCoin. Synapse is what I'm looking. Oh no! I'm just looking at all this. The dude, Dirty Sanchez. Yep, that's what happened. I would call that a successful Dirty Sanchez. Oh my God! Oh. All right, let's clear this off. Too high to buy. This is the 3-day chart too, man. You think I'm going to get in on? People have been trying to short this thing for forever over here. How's it been doing? Well, 1 minute says they might be onto something right now. Look at that. If that one I head and shoulders. Now this one's different. Okay, we had a little conversation about head and shoulders, right? This one doesn't have that high peak over here, right? Yeah, you probably got one right here. That's probably one of the better ones I've seen in a minute right there, to be honest with you. So when you can take this little head and shoulders tool over here and make it turn all one color, you gotta and not cut through bodies, then you got a decent one over here. Ah, crap it. There we go. So, I feel like coloring them in tonight just to make them a little darker so we can see them. Oh, look how foreboding that is. That's horrible. That looks like we're going to dump on our ass, Helen. Oh no, pumpy dumpy all night long. But what else have we got here besides that to kind of help us figure things out? Or is that all we need? You got a target? You got a target, man? Just asking. Oh, we got a 618 pullback right there. $15.72. Oh, that's one idea, but it's got to break a trend line for that to ever happen, and it's got a pretty gosh darn good trend line right there. Why shucks. Mister. That trend line takes us down to 36 cents. This Gartley could take us down to about 15, which would be a great place to just freaking load up on Synapse. What else have we got over here? Ooh, what were you? Were you something? Were you something? Yes, yes you are. All right, so swing hard or swing low. Notice that we got to the 786. We went 618, 786 here. We did a Gartley right there. We did the bearish Gartley. Now we're coming back down. We should be coming back down to this one for real, for real. According to harmonic theory, all right. If it doesn't work, we're blaming it. I didn't write the book on it. I just kind of stumbled into it. And realized, oh hell, I've been doing this for a minute, and I didn't realize that because I wanted to avoid this tool at all costs. Turns out I was doing it the harder way, man. All right, so maybe we got. There's an argument for a short here. So we got rejected over there at 786. That's a good reason. Got head and shoulders underneath it. Synapse, I think I might want. Can we work a short without getting our asses handed to us? Well, I got one. I can't go hard. All right, let's go note over here to our tiny account. Synapses. Or Sin. Oh, it's on spot. I can't short spot. All right, we're going to go to our bit. I feel like what the hell? 11 people hanging out with the turkey. We've been going for an hour. And UB is not quite ready to do her little turnaround. She's getting closer to my target area down here, though. A little closer. Just not quite there yet. We're going to come over here and look at Synapse because I think I want to take me a little short. Maybe I'm not. Seems that nobody has Synapse. Kraken, what? KuCoin's got no place that I'm at. Blowfin? Blowfin doesn't have an Arbit. Do I have? Who else do I have? I don't think I got anything worthwhile over there. I gotta sign in. Well, there you are, but you're not on futures. Why are you not on futures? Well, there's a short idea. I wanted to take it. Look, for that head and shoulders pattern idea, that's got a lower right head. It looks nice. No guarantee. Now, these guys are still in strong formation, so that trend line bottom might actually hold on here, and it may not come down to our just the thing. But if we went to the cloud, I would think we'd have a better chance. I don't know, man. I'm just telling you. We hit some resistance up there. There's a reason, and I can't get in it to trade the season, and I'm kind of pissed about it. I'm not very happy about it. I'm pouting right now. I'm upset. Where are you available at? SYN. Are you available in Jupiter? I don't want to go through all that. But it looks like you're everywhere. All right, well, whatever. Move on. Let's check out Billions or whatever. BILL. Billions Network. She's coming back for some kind of little retest idea over here. You zoom out. We gotta zoom out. Oh, snap. Oh, is there any hope for you? Breakout, baby. We got some volume over here. Hey, what's this news coming up? Job openings. Fed chair wash speech. Manufacturing data is coming up. This is all on the 1st there. I think that's a Wednesday. Unemployment rate, non-farm bill. Might be a fun week coming on. You got a secondary trend line right here giving us some resistance right up ahead. Let's see what we got here on Billions Network. It took a nosedive. Okay, you still got some work to do. Yeah, okay. Just trying to get up there. I don't know. Did I? Oh, wait a minute. You pulled back, though, didn't you, right? You're down here now. You're not way up there. So it looks like we're coming back to retest that dang old trend line right there that we broke out of. And this is the 1 hour time frame, and that 200 moving average is right there. There's a chance we might squeeze on down to this 50. Come talk to it. So I would definitely want to put some stop losses a little bit lower down here, about 4 cents. We're at 4.7. I wouldn't mind putting a little order in. What was it? 4.045? Providing that I can trade it. BILL. Oh, look! They got it. Oh, this is Blowfin. Let's try a little 5x action over here on billions. Here on the 5 minute, let's see if we can reiterate this trade setup over here. Tighten up your trend lines. You're getting kind of sloppy. Yeah, I kind of like you right there. I'm kind of like you where you are right now. You could bounce this. It's easy. I want my trend line. I want my stop loss below my 886 level right there. 0.4. No, that's 40. 0.04. That's my stop loss. If I go ahead and finagle one in right now, just a tiny bit on this tiny ass account. Oh, snap, that's too much to lose. That's a little better. I want to mark it in because I'm a DJ in that way. She looked like she's trying to double bottom there on the small ass time frames. Don't know if it'll stick or not. And then I'm going to put one in a limit order. Go over here and click limit and put 4.5. I don't want to put that tiny little 1% in there again. Same stop loss. Oh gosh darn it, you lost my stop loss. 0.04. Ah crap. That didn't work out. It switched something over here. Well, now I doubled. That you've pissed me off. Nah, that's not you right here, dude. Right here, right on the yellow line. On the yellow line. All right. I went in too heavy. I'm not liking that. I want to have to trim you down before you get, unless you're going up, and then I'll probably keep you. Are you going up? I don't think you are, though. You are. I might keep you. Oh, you're. Don't be silly. I can't help but to be silly. Actually, this is what I'm going to do right here. In case she's going to come on down. In case she's going to come on down. She's going to fail us. She's going to fail us. I'm going to put my little stop loss right here. I'll catch the next one if she starts to drop it. That's the game plan anyway. Are we in the money yet? We got anything good going on? Solana! Are you moving up? Or down? Look at you, Solana! On the tiny ass 1 minute chart. Alright, well, this we haven't broken 100 yet. Alright, Bill, I need you to get on it. This one called Meteora has been doing some stuff. See what it looks like. Oh, snap! This is 1 hour. What do you got going on over here? Look, flag to the upside, Helen. You know it's going to work. Actually, you know, from here, that one would probably work. All right? That one would probably work. That one would have a better chance than the second one, right? Especially if it's a breakout retest idea from this angle. I like that. I like that. Wish you had more touches, but I still like that. I ain't against it. Oh, what's this? What's this? What do I count this one? Oh, look, that one's stronger. A little bit local. That gives me a double entendre. Swing swing low. Where are you? 618? Yeah, you came back a little bit. You might come back a little deeper on me now. You might come back a little deeper on me now. You might want to come back here before you try to go up to these. Oh, maybe here. If you did that. That sucks. You're not giving me a great target. That's not a great target, dude. Alright, so stop loss on this one would have to also be deep. Oh man, that's too deep. Oh, I'm on the 8 hour though. I'm up. You can't do the tiny trades on the 8 hour. That's silly. Don't be silly. Just try and go up right now. I feel like I'm missing out. Oh snap. I can go where? 13, 14 cents. I can go tighter. Do you want to? Is it worth it? I don't know, man. I'm having third thoughts over here. I like 14. Can we? I don't know. Is it worth it? I think she can get at least over to 20. If you did this, though. All right, you got you on this. Okay, on this bottom. What? No. Yeah, maybe. Can you? Could you give me 23 cents? Are you over here? I'm degen trading tonight. Oh man, I'm supposed to do more of that on Arbit. Let me check. Let me try to stick to those rules a little bit better. I'm not trying to blow up that other account. I'm trying to focus mostly on Bitcoin and bigger coins with it. MET. Well, look at you. We do have you over here. I do not. Excuse me. Probably can't handle that. Probably can't handle that big 20x on that move. That would be like instant liquidation. And I gotta manually put it in over here, don't I? All right, so we got 15-minute time frame. We do have a trend line down here. I will have to put it below the 200 moving average down here. That's about 16.3 cents. I don't have that position over here. Open orders. What's Chase do? Are you sure you want to chase this order book price and confirm the buy or replace to be adjusted to the best bid price? I don't know. I've never done that before. Let me see what it does. What did it do? Did we chase it? I still only got 2 positions. I don't think you chased it. I think I'm just going to delete you and do it some other way. I didn't see a gosh darn thing happen over there. All right. Don't take off without me. Are we finally in? Did we finally get? I just want a stop loss right here, man. 16 cent stop loss. Can we do that? Add to top loss. 0.16. It will not let me write a 6 in there. Why is that? 0.16. You won't let me do it. That's very stop loss. Wait a minute. You're on the wrong one. 0.16. Oh hell yeah! I can work with you. I can actually add a little bit more. You're buying the top, road dog. I'm buying the top. I'm buying higher to go higher. Did we? Because it's a. There we go. Alrighty then, we're gonna take a little ride on Meteora. Hopefully it's not going to burn my freaking ass down over here. That's a good possible bear trap retest. I'm liking it. We needed to take profit over here at 23 cents. Forgot that, didn't I? Got to put that in over here. 0.23. Gives me 155% gains out of you. If I'm fortunate enough to make it up there. I will take that. That doesn't look too hard. That does not look too hard. That looks possible. That looks very possible. That would be you. It would be this one. Well, I'll pull you down just a hair there because I want to get you. Yippee-ki-yay, mofo! Oh! Okay, wait a minute. What happened over here? My Bitcoin's short. We got stop loss? Probably need to take a look at Bitcoin. What are you doing, Bitcoin? Are we going up? Are we going down? Or are we still going sideways? Coming down to the tiny 6-minute chart on Bitcoin. We're still hanging out here at that 0.5 moving average. Same place we were when we started. And nothing is any better. I don't like these moving averages being over here. And I don't like the 50 crossing, just now crossing. I mean, I know we got the 100, but it is a matter of time before it rolls over too. It does look like we are coming down a little lower, Paywall. Are we going to touch that $59,000 area? Or are we going to get kind of lucky over here? We got a makeshift trend line trying to hold on. I'm going to take it from the very wicks to that little lower wick, and we're skipping. We got some space in between here. That's the last level of defense I've got for any upping in this. Hope I got my stop losses set on you, Bitcoin. I better check you. Bitcoin long. Bitcoin long, just barely in profit over here. Poor little guy. Never stood it. Never had a chance. Never had a chance. These guys are set up with stop losses already to go down here. I'm just waiting. What are we on, the 1 minute? Is that the 50? Just did a bullish cross over that 200 on a higher low? Did you make a higher high? I don't think so. Oh, this is getting juicy. Watching Bitcoin on the 1 minute. What's going to happen? 50 crossing the 200. That makes me think that we're going to be okay. We just got to push on up. Come on, Bitcoin. Let's rock and roll. Let's get through that big old red cloud, Bitcoin. Let me come over to the chat again. How we doing? Squirrel, full moon, and Capricorn is in effect. Is it? You know, I have not been keeping up with that. Francisco Santos says, I was longing earlier this morning. I was waiting for Solana to touch 78, and then I switched 5 minute when I saw that. Noticed that bearish pattern. But TH is, thanks for, TH is for the T8 helps me improve. That's what it's all about, man. We're all just trying to improve and get better, trading against ourselves. We're not really trading against each other. We're trading against ourselves. Can't really think of this as trading against other people because we're our worst enemies when it comes to this. We're the ones that pushes the buttons or fails to push the buttons, fails to make the move, takes the moves too early, make the wrong damn decisions at the wrong time, all that stuff. Sim said, what? You called my name? I did. And there you are. How's it going, Sid? Good to see you, my man. Good Ask Ave. You can see the original videos over there. Ave Medina's got the links right there. Oh no. I feel like need to do some kind of crying commercial. I'll give it a chance, see what happens. Joe, you're still here, Joe. Good to see you, my man. Fanny Pack Raid. We got a Fanny Pack Raid from Joe Drew Trade Intuition. Where all the cool kids hang out before they come here. We're watching Bitcoin trail down. All right, let's take a look at some other coins. Rave's been getting some more traction. I don't know why. That I totally ruined an account playing Rave and River. I mean, it was good for a little bit, and then it wasn't, and about all I got to say about that. Oh, that's Raven coin. I did that last time I tried to take a look at you. Here's Rave on Kraken. What? Rave pumped up to $1.04 today? And now it's... All right. Play this at your own risk. Yeah, I don't like when they come on pumpy dumpy all night long. You got some trendline ideas. I don't know if I trust them to hold or not. I mean, Ichimoku Cloud's basically repeating what we had over here. It's just a 26 candle shadow is basically what it is. In a nutshell, there are some variations. Do keep an eye on it, but I don't know that I would. I mean, it looks like you. Do you want to go back up? 9 is over the 360. I'm on a 2-hour time frame. Are you trying? No way. No way you're going to bounce off of that. Why you got red over here if you're all bullish? No way. No way you're trying to go up right now, dude. No way. That's a big red. You know what? Well, hell, if we're going to catch it, I'm going to catch it right here. We can find out if we're right or wrong real quick, can't we? 37, almost 38 cents. We're going to play Rave on our bet. Oh, crap. That was the wrong button yet. You didn't lock me out, did you? Okay. Oh, we're playing Rave. I'm playing Rave. On my DGen account. Should be we will find out soon if we're right or wrong. Now, you look a little bit more wrong than right over here. I'm just saying, you look a little bit more wrong than right. You look like you want to just slam bam, thank you, ma'am, over at 200 moving average. On the 15, it's a 200 moving average. I didn't see that. I didn't notice this little guy over here either. Are you trying to talk yourself out of it? Well, hell no. Hell no, darling. I just got to figure out where I want to put my stop loss. Here, let me go ahead. We're not going that far. So I can come down about 2 cents before I'm out. See what that looks like. Stop loss at 34.5 cents. Oh, I can do that. I can do that. Boom. And we're in there like swimwear. I could run up my 10. I could run up my stop loss right up here. Because you break that trend line, what I'm looking for is over with. And what does that do for my stop loss? Rave. You didn't come down nearly as much as I thought you would. That might be all I'm willing to put in on you, you little sneaky bastard, you. Somehow I feel a little bit more D-Jenny. Rave, are you even up right now? Actually, that's for this tiny account. I shouldn't be bitching. That's pretty decent. All right, we won't bitch about it. Is anything working over here? MET, are you up? I feel like I took something else. I wanted to take that SYN trade, Synapse trade, but nobody's got it. Oh, look, we're up 40. Oh, we were up already on Solana, though. All right, nothing, no big numbers. I mean, the percentage looks all right. The numbers are tiny because we're still waiting to see if we're trying to go in on anything on Bitcoin. That's my short, though, wasn't it? Oh, well, you got to drop like a rock to make that one go up. Look at you on the 1 minute rave. See how far she goes before she dies again. I might be able to add to it if she starts going up there. All right, Rave coin. We're just being total degens out here. We've been going for an hour and 20 minutes now. LFGO says new coin. LaFogo. Is it on, is it over here? Oh, it's like Lego, but less. That's clever. This is a 4-hour chart. Ooh, look at you. It was fun before. Got up to 3.5 cents there. This is on the daily. Then it died. And it's had a few good days. It's had some bad days too since it died. Yes, I'm lowering. Tick my boxes, baby. Tick them.
Just stay. Why can't I hear it when the warnings play? Whisper in the dark. Why can't I listen to you? Whisper in the dark. The signs were there, the warnings true. Whisper in the dark. My heart tries to warn me. Whisper in the dark.
Gonna have a little hard time though. That's still a pretty good double up from where, I mean, till bumps his head over there. Okay, let's go to this. The day. Let's go to the 4-hour. Should probably just fib this one out. When was this? This was May. Okay, yeah, we should take this one. That's a little bit more local. Now the bags underwater dream turn to dust. Why can't I trust when my heart says adjust? I keep telling myself this time turn around, but the hope he impulse drags me. Drug says, has anyone else got the squeaky noise? Is there a squeaky noise? There shouldn't be anything playing. Well, what are we looking for over here? I think I'm looking for a long thing. Not got the greatest trade setups to get up there just yet. Getting in less than a 1-to-1 risk reward ratio. It's still under here. Lost the trend line. She's trying to do something. Looks like he's trying to do a little local double bottom right there. And I think it's on the fib support, right? Yeah, at the 786. That's a good place. That's a good entry, in my opinion. And bottom in formations, that's Fibonacci support. It just might take it a minute to get his legs back in to get anything worthwhile. Like the higher high target up there. Now, that would be a doubling up at 133%. That's at 0.00046. Near 0.00019 right now, 1979 right now. Well, that was an interesting one. Back to Rave on the 1 minute. Now, you haven't went up a bit. You're just kind of hanging out. Somebody poke it with a stick. I want to take a look at Pendle. Pendle. Sounds like Kindle, but it's Pendle with a P. Gotta zoom out. Probably gotta zoom out some more. This is Pendle on the weekly. Lost that trend line. Did a nice little bear trap and they gave it all back to us. Lost that little trend line if we're looking at that one. Now all we got is this little guy over here, which I think is a little redundant in it. We come down to the 3 day so I can get more noise over here. You're the one. You're the one from right there. All right, so 258. I like you for a higher high target. And she needs to get past 258. She needs to get past 219 and 170. There we go. All right, we got you in there now. Listen, the 3 day. Let's go down to the 4 hour and see what we got. Well, let's put you into perspective over here. Nice. Swing low to swing high. We came back to the 382. Then we popped our little happy asses up. I really would have thought more of 886 area. I really would have, but you didn't do it. Oops. That's interesting for me. And you got a nice little trend line right there. Nice little double bottom formation trying to happen over here. We can't just discount that little bastard, can we? Nice little W pattern right there. Went up, made a nice little M pattern. We just got harmonics cooking all over here. 886 retracement right there. I would look for the 886, but we're going to put up a 786 over here too. I'm just going to park you right there while I grab out the old fibber. The old fibber dibber. Swing low, or swing high to swing low. Tell me where price is going to go. And ideally we would hit that little guy, but considering you didn't hit it down here, why do I think you're going to hit it on the way back up? Looks like you're kind of partial to the 786 area right there, mister. If that's the harmonic frequency you're on, I don't want to be the one to take you off of it. Ruin a good thing. Can we get our happy asses up there? That's a big ask, but I think after a little time here with these higher lows, we got a good chance. This is Pendle on the 4 hour. That'd make a nice little swing trade right there. Take that little trend line right there. Cut through a little stuff over here. We are at some resistance. It's got a little bit more. I'm just going to respect the wiki wicks right there and give us a little bit more wickage room. So we work our way up to $1.58. This would be a slow trade. I don't know if I can handle a slow trade like this one. On a futures account. So, where would I put my little darling ass stop loss? Tight as possible. Although you gotta have the argument that they could come a swing hunting and come and get me. So below this low, about 121. Ooh. What do you got on smaller time frames? Are you going up? You coming down a little bit? What says you? Because it looks like you're coming down a little bit. I think you're coming down. Oh, you did the 382, you little Smurfy duck, you. That's bullish. You did that. You might be coming down here one more time. Or even lower to 0.5. I think I want to do multiple orders on this one. It lost a trend line. Okay, so it lost a trend line. It could come up and come down. It could just keep rolling over, come down from losing the trend line. but it should be coming down because that upward trend right there, it's gone. And we're just trying to find a new low, new bottom to make another one. So I got two choices right here at 130. Snap. $1.30 right there and $1.32.7. She's a bit confused in a Ichimoku cloud here on the 15-minute, and I think I might see a little trade set. So I would do this one over here. I would do this one over here on Blowfin. Pendle, baby, how you feeling today, Pendle? Let's figure out our X's over here. Might be able to swing a 5X. May have to go a 3. Playing this on a bigger time frame. I'm going to do it on the plot it out here on the 15. You're already there. I think I took it from here on the other one, which is, that's cool too. That's where I got the 132. So we got confidence with that 0.5 and everything too. I'm actually probably going to I'm probably layer in this way. But I'm going to keep this one. And stop loss has got to go deep about 121. I'll put you at 121 right now. And let's go with that 130. 130.07 area. See if we can get a little smidgen in right there. $128.34. I'm going to layer in some trades. 38.25. That one, I'm going to go just a little bit more. Put the old stop lossy in there. Where's the where do you tell me how much I lose when you come in? Why are you not telling me when I lose when you come and get me? You do that over here, right? All right, come on, baby, come on. 1, 2, 1, 2. Right there we go. Yeah. No! Alright, well, no, I'll just go with the 1 then. Give me that. Your order price exceeds the what? What the hell does that mean? Oh. 120. Did you change numbers on me? I can go 2 here. Trying to ladder it in. There we go. Now we got it. All right, we got 1 there. Got 1 there. Put 1 right over here. 1332. Just a 1. So I'm trying to set up for a swing trade is what I'm doing, but I'm coming down in the 15-minute just so I can get some nicer entries over here. At 126, I doubt seriously that I get that one. I seriously doubt that I get that one, but if I do, I'm picking up 3 of them there, so I'm pyramiding in. Stop loss. Did you change it? And set my stop loss on that one just a wee bit lower. So on this small account, it's under $100. Each one of these, I'm just risking 18 cents if I get stopped out. And if she comes down, I'm going to pick them up. And when she comes back for a higher high, that's what we're looking for. Higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. Or I get stopped out with minimum, Altogether should be still lower than my $1 allowed 1% for this account. And the little DJ on me right now wants to just FOMO in. So we're going to come down to the smaller time frames, get a read. Are you coming down, baby? Are you still coming down? Are you rolling over? You still look like you trying to do a little something. What did you get over here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8. Yeah, I think you can still come down though. Hells to the whales. I don't know. So let's go ahead and get a little skin in the game just in case I'm freaking wrong. Stop losses. Same price, same time. I'm risking more. 13-cent loss on that one. Or we can put it down here. Actually, we can put this one a little bit. Yeah, we can put this one really tight. I'm not losing anything. Oh, I'm on the dang 1 minute. Are we really going to do it that way? I could, though. I could. Shoot. Hell to the yeah. I'll do it. You lose that, come down, you trigger my other ones, and we'll get our other position. But if you're trying to take off from here, let's do it. 200 moving average. Let's see what you get, baby. Pendle! Anything else? Or anything doing anything over here? Here we go. Now we can see what's going on. All right. Solana, you're up 31%, but I think it's down from when I added to it. Bitcoin up 25%. Still want to see about it. That's the short though, right? Long is still suffering. It's down 6% right there. I'm schlonging it. Our build thing that we just entered in a few minutes ago is up 6%, so that's cool. And Pendle, we just now got into it. All right, 15 people hanging out with the turkey. Thank you for being here. You got to turn this music down. It sounds a little loud right there. Let me come over to the chat. What are we talking about? Geo Jim says things I didn't realize that it was that old. Ave says records. Road Dog, love the music. Yay, Tommy 2 Liters. Thank you so much. I get some new music every once in a while, but I haven't done very much lately. Ring the cowbell. You get... Oh! Drop the cowbell. I got the pretty sounding one right here. Well. Then I got one that looks like a cow. Look, it looks like a cow. Got cow print. Sounds like a cowbell. I guess this is the one that... Alexa, skip. I think this is a better version. All right, did we take a look at ladies? We got to take a look at ladies. Let's go 4-hour chart. Take a look at ladies real quick, just to see how she's doing. Did it go up or down, or is it just hanging out sideways in it? All right, Anita, I don't know if you're watching right now, but we are establishing a trend line here on the 4-hour. That looks kind of hopeful. We've tested the 50 moving average, got rejected, bouncing in and out. Let's see if we can come up and take out some of these highs and work our little happy asses up. 9 above the 21 moving average, got to get above the 50 and start walking our way back up. Ladies, did we take a look at grass? I meant to take a look at grass. I feel like I've already taken a look at grass. I feel like the music's kind of loud. Oh, there's grass against the Turkish lira. How's it doing? Pretty gosh darn bitching against that lira. It's kicking that lira's ass. Costs 21.70 lira to buy one grass token. Yeah, appreciate that grass when you can get it, that's what I'm saying. Stuff's not getting no cheaper, people. All right, well, we got that. How about the US dollar? Let's go to KuCoin. Or against Tether. Well, it looks about the same, but it's 46 cents over here. The Turkish lira. How many Turkish lira does it cost to get a hair transplant? If it's a few thousand Turkish lira, that sounds like a hell of a deal. Are we in a big ass channel idea over here? Are we kind of in a big ass channel? We just bouncing off of this little guy until we figure out what's going on. Are we above a trend line that appears to be curving? Are we getting some subtle movement over here? Are we just asking too many questions? Why are you rounding? Are you trying to do something ballsy? Higher highs, higher lows. I've got targets over here, but we already hit that with that, so we need to put in some new stuff over here. Not looked at grass on this chart in a minute. Don't know where I looked at it recently. 618, where are you? Is that a Jesus take the wheel pattern? Which I think is what I call my dirty Sanchez. You got 618. We got good target. We got good target for you. We give you good target. Good time. We give you good target here at 7.4, almost 75 cents. 75 cent target. Very good. Very good. One higher. You want higher? I give you higher. I give you higher target. 79. 79. 79, good target for a glass. You like a glass? Maybe we get up that high. I don't know. In the meantime, you want to look for this target at 67. You might get a little reaction there, but the main target we look for right at 79. That's the main one. The lucky target. But 75, awful good. We like 75, 79. Bonus cheetah target at 67. Front one 68. Because the front one 68, the front one to 69, because they always go for 69, but then they run the front one to 68. So your front one to 68 was 67.41. That's the secret sauce. It's the secret duck sauce. Take a look at hype. Been wanting to give me some hype. It ain't nothing. Look at you. Are you trying to go back up? What's wrong with you, man? Hype, what's wrong with you? Are you not coming down? Hype, are you doing the parabolic run, man? Where's the curve line? Somebody got rid of the curve. Sean, did you? There it is. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. I think Hype is trying to do a little something over here. She bounced off that 50 moving average like it was nothing. That little swing failure pattern didn't mean nothing, but just coming down for a higher low. This is looking kind of juicy and interesting. Let's see what we got over here, Helen. We're going to pull out some fib extensions, and we are going to look for a 3-618. Come here, darling. From swing low at the very bottoms of this parabolic move to the swing high and down here to the hoochie coochie. We already hit here. We're looking for this guy right here. $92. Well, that's crazy talk. But that's what Elliott, you want to explain it? Can you do it? Oh, hell. Elliott's still tripping. All right. Elliott says it's going to hell in a handbasket. He thinks that's a 5 wave. If he gets up above there, he'll change his mind and he'll be on board with this idea. But until then, just take one word for it. That was a nice little rejection area right over here at that 2618 area. I need to make you a lighter shade of orange. Well, Elliott, man, I'm not sure the Hive wants to hear your bull crap. Let's see what else we got over here. Did that 9 cross the 21? 9 did cross the 21, but we bounced off the 50, dude. I don't know. That's going to be... We got to get some indicator input over here. I want to take you to the upside. Okay, that's what Market Cypher's saying. Or probably want to take you to the upside. That's what the RSI is saying. Ooh, are you breaking out already? Look on the daily. What do you say, MACD? I'm leaning. She's feeling a little frisky. Was that bearish divergence on your little thingy things here? You're pointing down, and they do sag over age. And these are pointing up. Oh man, you just want to kind of help them out a little bit. Need a little support there. All right. But this one's trying to go up. That looks interesting. Hyper liquid on the daily. Look kind of bitching over here. What's going on over here on the 4 hour? Is that a breakout? Some would say that is a breakout. It's got some volume behind it too there, Bubba. Looks like my $48 hype dream is about to be a pipe dream. Be nice if these trend lines worked real good for me. I think my mouse is doing that thing again. I've still not got a new mouse yet. So, look like a double top. Look like a little pinhead little dude. And then here we are breaking to the upside on it. No divergence. We got to dissect this a little bit more here. 50 moving average crossed barely over the 100 and the 200, and now these guys are tripping around. I think you're going to zigzag. I honestly think you're going to zigzag. I think that you are at some resistance and probably a rising channel. Let's see if we can get this spelled out over here. That argument doesn't work. The bodies work better. Body's gotcha. Body's gotcha. So, I think we'll be coming back down about 63. Maybe even 62.5. Unless it just wants to keep on blasting its little happy ass up. Let's go smaller time frames and see what it's saying. So for me, swing high to swing low. Tell me where price is going to go. We hit our targets at resistance right here on height. I was out to take a long on it, but smaller time frame is saying it's time for a pullback on you. Now local fibs on that one, we look for at least a 0.5 pullback, maybe in that 618. Everything seems to be pointing toward that 618 right there. So I'm just going to put this little sweet ass box right here and see if I can set an alarm. Oh, I can set an alarm on the box? Oh, it sounds good until it pisses me off when it starts going off, and then I get pissed. I don't know why, but I do. Trying to flip these ribbons. It's trying to look good, but look, I think we're going to get a little comeback here on smaller time frames. We're going through that green cloud. See if we can get about 63 or maybe even lower. All right, hype. Might get a chance to buy you a little cheaper here. Have you broken trend line though? I don't think she's broken trend line yet. Oh, you're flirting with it. Okay, you're flirting with it. Yeah, or you might have. You might not have. I think you have. I believe that you have. Did you break that trend line? I saw you playing with it. I want to know. 21 about to cross that 50. I think we're coming down. I think we're going to break it. All right, well, no trade for you today. Let's take a look at TAC. I don't even know what this one is, but it's been off the freaking charts, man. So, what's this? Yeah, that's TAC. Clearly, it's too early to buy. Hello, extension. We're going to try that same little trick right over here. Okay, we got you. We got you. 0.07319 technically. And 0.09488. That would be 261.8% and the 361.8% Fibonacci's from the possible Elliott 1-2 wave right Oh, snap. I went too low. I guess. Nope. Got to adjust it. Okay. The 261.8, I didn't go down low enough. 0.07586. The 361.8, I got 0.0975. Take those off. I was about to screw that up. My bad, people. Actually, I think I want you back on there. And we just nailed this 222 3.2.6. 223.6. Not the 227. That's not what we're looking for. Different rules. Different volume. And she rolling it over from there. Some would be looking to short this little bastard. But does she have more gas for the fire? Is she trying to actually get up to that 618? That would be the question. I guess we're all dying to know, aren't we? Oh man, what to do on this one? Should we short it? It look like she's still got a little bit more gas in the tank, to be honest with you. Good luck on that one. That's the tag token, but that one had made some crazy gains today. It went from 2 cents all the way up to 6 cents, which was 200% gains today. This is what we're looking at for our winners and our losers today. Top gainers was TAC. That's why we looked at it. Unibase, hey baby, you made me some money. And BTW. I had fun on that one. Is she ready to go for another run? Because that one was fun AF. Oh, are you ready for another run? Oh, baby. Because I was in on that. That was so fun. That was so fun. What we got over here, darling? Swing low to swing high. Oh, the moon. You're below where I want you to go. I think I tried to play you at that 886, and I think you smoked me. I can't remember.
I could blame the whales. I could blame the news. I could blame the world.
See what we're looking at over here.
The truth is in the mirror staring back at me. It's always been me.
Oh, we got you. Where did you why?
Oh, the misery. Everybody wants to be my enemy, but the enemy is me.
Did you 0.5 us? Is that what you did? I gotta check this.
I'm the one.
Did you 0.5 us? Is that what you did? Yeah, you 0.5 us. Almost. Well, no. Wait a minute. Did I do that right? Yeah, 0.5 us. Okay, that makes a lot more sense when we. Okay. All right, so we from low to high, we came down, and then we couldn't get past the 0.5 Fibonacci. Therefore, that when we come back to this one, and I got my 1414, those check out. Those track. All right, so I think I might have something here on this little guy. This is a 15-minute too, isn't it? Still above the 100, above the 9. Ooh, I gotta set a. It doesn't have to be too deep because at 5 cents I'm out. BTW, we're gonna play you with crazy ass leverage. I'm going to full DJ on this one. Well, mostly. BTW on our bid exchange. You were fun the last time. 20x. Oh, are you coming down now? How come every time I actually come over here, then you want to come down? When I get into the... Oh, yeah, I guess you should. Look, shoulder, head and shoulder to the downside, Helen. That's okay. We can plan ahead for this. I want to be going for, so I would have went for this one. I would actually look for probably the 618. I want to run for that little guy right here, that 0.5. My stop loss has got to be low. Let's see what we can do here. Actually, I could let my limit you in over here. What's my price? just fractions of a penny down from where we are right now. And you wouldn't think it would matter, but it do. Are you trying to go up? You lost the trend line, right? Yeah, chances are you're coming back down, baby. That's about as best as I can. Ooh. All right. Bodies to wick to body. You're on the cusp of it, aren't you? Can't go any smaller. This is the 1 minute time frame. Your 9 moving average is curving back up underneath. Gosh darn it. All right. I'm going to set an order here at 582. Get my stop loss at 0.04995. Oh man, I can shoo. And that was a little risky. And that was a limit. It said, okay, good. And I'm going to I'm gonna FOMO in right now. Oh snap! Market. My stop loss here with, oh snap, I'm missing it now. My stop loss would be right below this little guy at 5053. And I'm in. Let's see what you do now. Oh, you're going down. You suck. Please don't suck, mister. I want to put you right under there. Actually, oh, I can't. Yeah, I can move you up a little bit. Arg, 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 arg. I'm asking for trouble. I'm asking for trouble. I'm going to put it right underneath that little last wick right there. I'm getting Jonesy over here. I'm not trusting that she hadn't made her higher high just yet, but let's see what we get out of it. And if I want to lose, I want to lose as little as possible. Yeah, you're down. I'm at 20x. I went degen. Oh, gosh darn it. And we got anything that's in the... Did you stop me on my long? My Bitcoin long did not happen. Or it stopped. Oh, we're falling. We're falling, y'all. That's short. Dang. Makes me wish I'd added to you. Coulda, woulda, shoulda, but here we are, baby. Let's go. I want to get you on the 10-second chart, BDW, and see what the hell you're doing. You're coming down, ain't you? Yeah, little suck-ass little. You know it. Yeah. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, let me come back over to the chat. How we doing, 12 people hanging out? We've been going for 2 hours. I can't believe that. WTH says Tommy 2 liters. Is that wormhole? Something? I don't know. I got this. Is this it? WTH, is it wormhole? I thought wormhole was W. 31.6 cents. She's still in dangerous territory over here. 9 over the 21 on the daily. It's trying. MACD's wanting to take us back down a little bit. Threatening to anyway. And yeah, and so does the RSI. I don't think this one's bottomed out just right yet. It might be coming back down to test that 30 cent area. 28 maybe. Anita says I'm back. Hey, we looked at ladies. I did look at it, and there'll be timestamps there. It looked okay. It's still above a trend line. Try rising trend line there. All right, 12 people. Thank you for hanging out tonight. That's all we got. Kind of a...
For those...
Just not getting the views. Not getting the views like we used to. I don't know. Maybe trying a different time spot or something. It is midnight, and the turkey turns into a monster or a pumpkin sometimes. We're going to take one last look at Bitcoin. Go to the end screen and see what's popping. Most of your altcoins are falling right now. They're in the red over here on the... look over past Jenny. I know it's hard to get past her, but right above Twerky there, you see that they are mostly in the red over here. A few of them are up. Oh, that's a stock. That's ARC Innovation. That doesn't count. What else? MET. Well, look at you, you little bastard. Aren't we in that one? Most of our altcoins appear to be traveling downward right now. Only 1 hour. Why that is, I do not know. But on the daily, some of them did okay, especially this category over here. These are the strong ones today, the ones that have been going off. I didn't get to look at that one. All right, guys, going to the end screen. Thanks for hanging out. See you on the next one.
But let me tell you about my portfolio. Ooh, baby. Baby.
Oh, it's Meteora. Right? Yeah.
Pulled up to the chart at 2:15. She was wearing red candles like a freaking tattoo. So I said, baby, what's so long like you? Doing in the market that's about to boom. I aped in hard with my mortgage in hand. The chart looked at me like a one-night stand. She said, honey, if you stay with me tonight, you'll be eating ramen by tomorrow's morning light. And the funk just kept on funkin', while the bags just kept on dunking. Back dunking, back dunking. Oh, this is purple bags, purple bags. The Californication on my portfolio. Ooh, ooh. Purple bags, purple bags. I'm grooving while the chart goes red. Drunk with drunk. She was thick with a chart that wouldn't quit. I said, girl, can I take you on a candlestick trip? Ooh, we rolled that way all the way to the floor. And the more I lost, the more I begged for more. The Fed walked in like a thunderclap. I said, baby, that's just background math. She said, you should probably check your margin call. I said, girl, I came here to fall. Just let me fall. Just kept on falling. On the bags just kept on dunking. Purple bags, put the Californication on my portfolio. Purple bags. I'm grooving while the chart goes red. Drunk with drunk. Oh, listen, I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, bro, you're down 90%. And you're right. But have you ever seen a candle move so beautifully? She's not just a chart, she's an experience.
I'm up on Rave. Up 27% on Rave.
Grooving while the chart goes red. Drunk.
You go, darling. You go get it.
Californication on my portfolio.
What rate is breaking out to the upside, Helen?
But I'm still holding funky.
In case she wants to give it all back like she normally does.
She still got me.
Dirty bastard.
Oh, child, you got me. Down 80%, and I'm still fine. Don't stop the fun.
got a 1% out of a BTW. Meteora for when she wanted her to go down on you, but go down, but she just won't go down.
And I feel these bags are getting heavy now. So the house full of
Make one want to go down.
every house somehow.
Ooh, got our first nibble on the 1 minute. See what else we can get from this.
She says I'm always gone, staring at the screen.
Our first little. Gotta get the area together. Oh, you're blasting through it. Well, that barrel area low kind of sucked.
I feel it coming.
I wanted to feed you out.
And I feel so much
59, 100, 59, 345. It's the area that we're looking at Fibonacci wise. These other guys are value area highs and lows.
so much better now. After all the liquidations, finally
Good night, everybody. Thanks for hanging out. Jesus loves you. See you on the next one.